For this arrangement of Oye Como Va, I'm going to show you how to play the violin, the alto sax, guitar, ukulele, piano, and bass notes. So first, we're going to start with the violin part. As you can see on the sheet, there's only 3 notes that we need, the A, D, and C. So on the violin, we have A, which is going to be our first finger on the G string. So A, and then we switch to an open D. So that's our open D string. Then we go back to the C, and then there's our C using our ring finger on the G string. So if we put that all together. Okay, the next part is for alto sax. You're going to need 3 notes for this. The F sharp, which is top 3 keys, plus just the middle one with your second finger down there. And then you're going to press the octave switch on top, which will sound like this. Next note is going to be the B, which is only going to be the top key on the sax. And so that note's going to sound like this. The last note that you need is the A, which is going to be just the 2 top keys. So that one's going to sound like this. So when we put those 3 notes together, now for the guitar part, we only need 2 chords. Here's how we're doing the guitar, the A minor 7 first. And here's the chart on how to play it. So we're just strumming the first 5 strings, not the one on top. And then the D7, like this. And that's only a 4-string chord, D7. And then when we play what's on the page, this is what we have. And then for the ukulele, same chords. Here's how we're playing the A minor. Instead of using the second finger like we normally would, I'm going to put my first finger on that spot to make this A minor chord, because for the next chord, our other fingers are just going to come right below it and do the D chord. So when we put that together, we got A minor and D. And just like the guitar part, sounds similar. Next, for the piano, here's our middle C on the keyboard. You can see the notes are written, we have a G and a C, and then the only other chord, it goes F sharp and C. So what's written on the page is the only change I'm going to ask you to make is to move that down 1 octave so that it fits into the band a little bit better. For the bass notes, there's a couple different ways we can do it. And so now we are down at the bottom of our keyboard. So playing on the page, we have an A, D, and a C. So once we put it all together, it's simply this. And if we want to do the bass part on an actual bass or guitar, we just have the open A string, right? So here's our low E. We're just using the open A. And then the next note is a D, which is going to be 5th fret. And then C, first finger on the 3rd fret. So when we put it all together, those 3 notes. So looking at the words there, this is what the chorus is sung like. Oye como va, mi ritmo puedo pausar. So if we put that together with some chords on the guitar. Oye como